Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an EMB Homeschool. This is Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is EMB Page 8, Write in number and write in words. Dear students, it means from page 8 we will learn write in numbers and write in words. This is our lecture 2. Homework is not given in this lecture. This is the second lecture of half yearly 2022. Okay, dear students, so let us start our today's class. Now see, here I have written EMB page 8, 4, activity 4 here, write in numbers. I have written 8 numbers in words. These 8 numbers I have to write now using digits. It means that I have to write in numbers. Okay, dear students, so let us the first number here. First one is 2159. 2159. Okay, dear students, to write here highest position is 1000, so we have to indicate the position 1000, 100, tens, ones. Okay, dear students, so let us see how can we write 2000. So we have to write 2 is in thousands position, 100, so we have to write 1 is in 100 position, and then 59. To write 59, we have to write 5 in tens position and 9 in ones position. So we can write here 5 in tens position and 9 in ones position. So this is now the number is 2159. 2159. So rest of the number we can write similarly. Next number 2 is 8210. So write here, at first indicate the position 1000, 100, tens, ones. Here is 8000, so we have to write 8 in thousands position. Then 200, we have to write 2 in thousands hundreds position, and then 10. To write 10, we have to write 1 is in tens position and 0 is in ones position. Okay, dear students, so we can say this is 8210. 8 is in thousands position, 2 is in hundreds position, 1 is in tens position, and 0 is in ones position. Okay, dear students, now go to the third one. Here third one is 3001. To write 3001, at first indicate the position 1000, 100, tens, ones. Here as this is 3000, we have to write 3 in thousands position, and there is no 100. Here is only 1 here, so write 1 is in ones position. 2 places remaining here, so fill up these 2 blank pages by 0. This is 3001, and then go to the next number, number 4, 4400. Okay, dear students, so here indicate the position 1000, 100, tens, ones. As here is 4000, so we have to write 4 is in thousands position, and 400 here, so we have to write 4 is in hundreds position. Nothing remaining here, so we have to fill up this 2 blank by 0. This is 4400. Now next one, 5, 1111. To write the number, indicate the position of the digits 1000, 100, tens, ones. So here is 1000, so we have to write 1 is in thousands position, 100, so 1 is in hundreds position, and 11. It means that to write 11, we have to write 1 is in tens position and another 1 is in ones position. Okay, dear students, so I have complete number 5. Now 6, 9647. 9647. So indicate the position of the digits 1000, hundreds, tens. As here is 9,000, so we have to write 9 in 1000. 6 is in 100, as here is 600, and then 47. To write 47, we have to write 4 in tens position and 7 is in ones position. Okay, dear students, we have done 6. Now 7. 7,060. 7,060. So indicate the position of the digits 1000, 100, tens, ones. Here 7,000 means 7 is in thousands position, and then 60. To write 60, we have to write 6 is in tens position and 0 is in ones position. This is 60. Now here remaining gap is in hundreds position, that we have to fill up by 0. So this is 7,060. Now the last question of writing numbers, that is question 8. 2,222. So we can indicate the position of the digit 1000, 100, tens, ones. As here is 2000, we have to write 2 is in thousands position. 200, so 2 is in hundreds position. 22. To write 22, we have to write 2 is in tens position and 2 is in ones position. Dear students, I hope how to write the numbers when this will be given in words. You have learned from this lecture, and then we are going to write some numbers are given, we have to write this number in words. So at first we have to read the number. To read the number, we have to indicate the position of the digits here: ones, tens, 100, 1000. So read the first number. What is the first number? We have to start from the largest position. This is thousands position. So we have to read at first 7,562. It means that we have to read, when we will read this, we have to read tens position and ones position together. So this is 62. It means that we can read this as 7,562. So we can write this in words. 7,562 and 62, or you can write direct 62. Okay, dear students, so I have done the first one. Now I will solve second one. Here second one, to read the second one, indicate the position ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here is also 5 is in thousands position. So we can read this as 5,000, and hundreds position 0, tens position 0. Only 2 is here in ones position. It means that 5,001. 5,001. So we can write here 5,001. Sorry, here is 2 in ones position. That is 2, not 1 here. This should be 5,002. As this is 2. Again we can read this one. 5 is in thousands position, 2 is in ones position, and hundreds and tens place at 0. So we have to read this in this way, 5,002. So we can write 5,002. Now go to the next one. Next one is here ones position, tens position, hundreds position, thousands position. So start from 1000. 8,000, 300, and tens place and ones place is 0. So only 300 here. So we can read this as 8,300. So we can write here 8,000 and 8,300. Okay, dear students, now we are going to question 4. So indicate the position of the digit here: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here start reading from 1000, 7,700. Here 7 is in tens and 7 is in ones. It means that 77. So we can read this as 7,777. So we can write here 7,777. 777. So we have done question 4. Now 5. Here indicate the position of the digit ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we can read from thousand. Here 2 is in thousands, so this should be 2000. Not 0 is in hundred, so no hundred here. So we can read this as 2000, and here 2 is in tens position, 0 is in ones position. So this means 20. 20 means 20. So we can read this as 2020. 2020. It means 2020. We can write here 2020. 2020. Okay, dear students, now we are in the last number of our today's lecture. Here number 6. This is ones position, tens position, hundreds position, thousands position. Okay, dear students, so we can read the number as 6800. 9 is in tens and 9 is in ones. It means that here 99. It means that 6899. So we can write this as 6000, then 800, and 99. Dear students, so I have completed our today's lecture. I hope you have understood how to write in words and how to write in numbers. Practice this at home very carefully, and be safe and keep us in your prayer. Okay, dear students, see you again in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.